Hi, I'm Kerry Webb with your Blue Collar Blueprint here in Dallas, and I'm explaining the 7 steps to blue collar business growth. Step number 1, know where you are. If you want to grow your service business, stop guessing. Start with the facts. Before you worry about hiring more people or getting more trucks or spending money on advertising, you need to know exactly where you are today. What's your revenue? What's your cost of goods? What's your gross margin? What is your overhead and the resulting net profit? Also, a couple other things that are really important. How many calls are you running? What's your average daily and weekly revenue requirement? How many replacement leads do you generate? And how many do you close? You see, you don't need 100 numbers, you need the right numbers. Because once you know what's working and where you're losing money, then you know where to start. Know your numbers, then build the plan. I'm Kerry Webb with BGS Blue Collar Blueprint, here to help you any way I can. Build your business, build your team, build your life. Email me, Kerry@bgsblueprint.com, and I'll send you the KPIs that really matter.